Imagine, for millions of years, Earth belonged to the giants. The ground trembled beneath their footsteps, but on one terrifying day, it all came to an end. Why did the dinosaurs disappear forever? Scientists are still searching for the answer. 66 million years ago, the skies of Earth suddenly darkened, oceans trembled. Volcanoes erupted in fire, but the dinosaurs didn't know this would be their final morning. Scientists say a massive asteroid struck the Earth, but the question is, was it only the fireball that destroyed the dinosaurs? Or was there something even more terrifying behind their extinction? Today, we will uncover how that great disaster changed the history of Earth forever, and why even today, scientists are still fighting the mystery of the dinosaurs' last day. 66 million years ago, the Earth was alive with giants. Dinosaurs ruled the land, massive reptiles walked under endless skies, and the world seemed eternal. That morning was no different. The sun rose over lush forests, herds of triceratops grazed peacefully, and tyrannosaurs prowled the shadows. No one knew that this was their final sunrise. Far above the Earth, a silent traveler was rushing closer. A 6-mile-wide asteroid, older than the dinosaurs themselves, tore through the emptiness of space. It had wandered the solar system for billions of years, waiting for this moment. To the dinosaurs below, the sky looked calm, painted in shades of blue, filled with the calls of flying reptiles. They grazed, they hunted unaware. No creature on Earth knew of its arrival. But fate was already sealed. The countdown to destruction had begun. Then, in an instant, the sky exploded with light. The asteroid slammed into the Yucatán Peninsula of present day Mexico, with unimaginable force greater than billions of nuclear bombs combined. The ground shattered as if the Earth itself was screaming. Towers of fire rose higher than mountains. Shockwaves spread faster than sound. And seas surged with walls of water. Everything within hundreds of miles was obliterated in seconds. For the dinosaurs nearby, there was no chance of survival. The world had changed in the blink of an eye. The first blast killed everything nearby. Forests, rivers, creatures all turned to ash, but the true horror had only begun. The colossal impact hurled molten rock and burning debris into the atmosphere. They rained down across entire continents like a storm of fire. Within hours, forests across the planet ignited, spreading flames that devoured everything in their path. The skies glowed red, the oceans boiled at their edges, and the Earth itself seemed to burn alive. The skies turned black with ash and smoke. Sunlight could no longer pierce through the thick shroud. For days, then weeks and then months, the world remained locked in endless night. The temperature plummeted, icy winds swept across the lands, plants withered and died. Without plants, herbivores starved. Without herbivores, the mighty predators soon followed. Dinosaurs, once the unchallenged rulers of the planet, now struggled and fell into silence. The age of giants ended not with a roar, but with a cold, starving whisper. Yet, not all life perished. In the cracks of the earth, in burrows hidden beneath soil, small mammals huddled together and endured. Birds that could adapt, creatures that could find food in darkness, continued the struggle. They survived the fire, the cold, and the endless night. And when the skies finally cleared, these small survivors emerged into a silent, empty world. In the void left by the fallen giants, a new age had begun. The Earth was no longer the dinosaurs, it belonged to the survivors. The death of the dinosaurs was not only an ending, it was also the beginning of something greater. Without the asteroid, mammals might never have risen to dominance. And without them, humans might never have existed. The extinction of the giants was the price that allowed us to be here today. Their fall paved the way for the story of life to continue, and for our own story to begin. And so, the day the dinosaurs died was also the day the future of life was rewritten. From the ashes of destruction, life found a way. Through survival, through adaptation, and through endless struggle, the Earth gave rise to something new. And eventually, it gave rise to us. Friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. The story of the dinosaurs' extinction reminds us how terrifying and mysterious our planet can be. If you love such history and dark mysteries, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and share this video, because many more untold stories and hidden secrets are coming soon.